The stock market over the last 5 years has really struggled to value the company Netflix. Obviously, COVID, a massive time. Let's take a look at the 5-year chart of Netflix. And so as you can see, the company grew like crazy over COVID. Why? Because we were all stuck at home and we're all signing up for Netflix. And what happened at the end of 2021 is the sign-up rate just stopped and the growth rate of the company just stopped. And we revalued this company from nearly $700 all the way down to $200. Now, good news. If you knew that the growth at Netflix probably wasn't dead, despite the fact what the stock was doing, and bought it, you have had a really good run. This stock is 4.5x itself since that COVID low, essentially, now starting to sell off above $900. Let's take a look at the numbers as to what's happening with Netflix. So let's take a look at what the stock market is absolutely clued in on these days, and that's revenue growth. Back in 2021 here, you can see that Netflix had strong revenue growth, 19x, but the stock sold off at the end of 21 because we moved down to 6% revenue growth. Absolutely, totally revalued it from 600 to 200. So why did Netflix stock do well? You can see the opposite inflection from 7% growth up to 15% growth. Great shows, they added the NFL, all sorts of great content. That's the past, however, right? The future has flat growth, 15% from 2024 to 2025 and into 2025, similar flat growth and strong growth, 15%. We are extremely worried if they miss this bar, the stock will sell off significantly. Why do we think this? We'll take a look at the EBITDA. About $11 billion in EBITDA. Compare that to the enterprise value of $365, and you get about 35 times EBITDA for Netflix. If it's growing like crazy, that's justified. If it's growing at 5 to 10%, it is not justified. That EV to EBITDA should probably be more like 25, and we can see this stock easily selling off from 900, where it peaked out recently, to somewhere in the neighborhood of 5 to 600. There is more risk than reward in the stock, in the Netflix stock, due to the high growth bar that it has to jump over and due to the high valuation, in our opinion. So we are scared of growth and valuation at Netflix and are staying away right now. Thanks for everything you guys have done so far. It's been fantastic. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's really starting to take off now. And if you guys have any questions or any stocks you want to see, just let us know. We'd love to do them.